think that it is legal to send them to jail even though they're only minors? Why or why not?
I think much better to send in DSWD because in DSWD, they can learn a different education that can help for their future. Because inside the jail, there are a lot of bad attitude. So marami sila doong makakasalamuha na hindi maganda ang attitude. But in DSWD, pwede sila doon mag-aral, matututo sila doon ng tamang attitude.
What are the possible resolutions to eradicate this issue?
Possible solution, we can go to our president and we can justify our problem regarding that matter.
Do you think that their crimes make sense? Why or why not?
Again,
Do you think that their crimes make sense?
I think mapakbo na talaga yun. Nothing.
No, not sense.
So, nakat muna daw sa part na yun.